So today we're going to talk about William Mumler, and he is known for his spirit photography in the 19th century. So William had sold his services to thousands of people in the 19th century that were recovering from a civil war that claimed over 600,000 lives. So capitalizing on this grief, William had taken photos of people, and through a process of his own, he was able to capture the deceased one in the background. And we'll even talk about one of the biggest celebrities at the time falling for this sham. Let's talk about it. So this was definitely during the spiritualist movement, which is the idea behind the fact that the soul is actually separate from the body itself, and this gained a ton of momentum in the 18th century. So William actually played two sides of this card. So in the day, he would do readings for people, and then kind of during the evening, he would have them take pictures. And as you can see here, a ghost of a loved deceased person would show up behind them. But that's obviously not what was happening here. This was an obvious scam. So what he did was use stock photos that looked very similar to the deceased loved one, and then through a chemical process, he would double exposure it onto the photo itself. And people at the time were willing to shell out $10, which at the time would be about $200 in today's money. Now let's talk about the celebrity case, one of the highest profile cases that William had that we talked about earlier in the video. Now it turns out that Mary Lincoln Todd was an actual believer in what William was doing. And with that, you can see Lincoln appearing behind Mary in this photo. So that is the short story of William Mumler, one of the first scam photographers out there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.